See, the children, they come here. We have a center called Harmony House. Harmony House, it is leased for about 5 years from the local person, and then we have to give it back. And what the children do is they don't sleep in Harmony House. They have small places to stay in Hampi. They live there in the night. So they come here in the morning around 8 o'clock, and they wash their teeth here. They have their breakfast, and then they change the uniforms. They leave their regular clothes here, and then they have the uniforms. Then after having some food, they do homeworks if they have, and then they walk to the school. And from 1 to 2 p.m. they're at Harmony House. They'll be here for lunch. And then after the lunch, again they go to the school. They'll be back here at 5 o'clock. From 5 to 7, they'll be in Hampi Children's Trust doing homeworks, having their food, cleaning their teeth, and they change the uniforms. So if there is some homeworks, they do the homeworks. We do a regular homeworks tuitions here. They learn maths, they learn English, they learn Kannada, local language, and social activities, how to live, how to talk, how to live, how to deal with people, and how to behave with the tourists and volunteers. So all the practical things they'll be taught.